Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure your device is online and ready. Check Wi-Fi or Ethernet and confirm internet access. Next, pick a modern browser. Edge is preferred on Windows, but Chrome or Firefox work fine. Open the browser now, make sure the address bar is selected, and prepare to enter the Bing homepage name. Once done, you'll proceed directly. This avoids app stores, extensions, or extra steps and gets you to Bing fast and reliably. You will type the Bing homepage name into the address bar and press enter. This is the direct, only way in this workflow to open Bing quickly. Wait for the page to fully render. Images and search box should appear within a few seconds depending on connection. Make sure to sign in if you want personalized results and history. Otherwise, continue as a guest. Once the page loads, test the search box to confirm responsiveness and readiness for your queries. Once Bing loads, you can pin it to your taskbar or set it as your browser homepage for one-click access. This completes the process. If the page doesn't load, clear the browser cache, flush your DNS, or reboot your router. These steps fix most network hiccups. Make sure your browser is up to date and disable any extensions that may block content. If problems persist, restarting the device often resolves lingering software conflicts and gets you back online.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.